Hi, I'm going to take you through the Roveel Customer Flash report, understanding the components of it, how it works and what you can use it for. So when logged into Roveel, under the report heading, the Customer Flash report can be found on the left-hand side. So this is really a sales tool. When your sales teams are out on the road, if you're an area manager, a sales director, going out to visit customers, you can use this report as a tool. You can email it to your customers in advance of a meeting, print it, take it to the meeting, or send it to them on a routine basis every quarter, every month. Which products are up, which products are down, understanding why they're down and having those meaningful conversations off the back of a report generated at the click of a button. One of the key things is I've got our logo on the screen here. We want to add the customer's logo, so A1 Design Services. It's very simple. Go to Google, search for the customer name, click inside the logo, right click, copy image address, go back onto the PDF, go into here, top, copy and paste that in. It has to be a PNG or a JPEG, and you can immediately see that's come through. Now you can edit the text on the screen, so review of your last 12 months sales, ahead of our meeting next week, and then shows all the information. If you want to, you can click and drill into. So if you said you just want to focus on the categories that are down, you can click on that and filter it, and whatever you've selected on screen will then come out as a PDF. But for this example, I'm going to have everything selected, and then it's a simple case. You can select the date range, and then you can pop your name in there and hit generate PDF, and out will pop the PDF. It takes around 10-20 seconds to generate the information, and here you are presented with a neat looking PDF with the branding ahead of your meeting. You can download that to your computer, email it to them, send it via WhatsApp, print it, take it with you, and then sit down and have all of that information at hand. So there's no need to ring your finance team and ask them to extract the information from your finance software. You can now do all this using Roveel.